Sending money just got a whole lot easier and faster thanks to Taptap and Bkash. First things first, ensure you have the Bkash app installed and are logged into your account from the home screen. Look for the Send Money option and tap on it. Now, you'll be presented with different options for sending money. Find the Taptap option. It will have the Taptap logo. Tap on it to get started. The next screen will prompt you to input the amount of money you wish to send. Carefully enter the amount you want to send using the on-screen keypad. Following this, you will need to select the recipient of your money, enter their mobile number, or choose from your contacts list. This helps Taptap and Bkash link the money to the correct person. Before sending, carefully review all the details on the screen, including the recipient's mobile number and the amount. Confirm any associated fees if displayed. If everything looks good, tap the confirm button. And that's it. You'll receive a confirmation message, usually with a transaction ID. The recipient will also get a notification, and your money has been successfully sent using the power of Taptap and Bkash. Remember to keep your transactions safe and sound.